let's see, the hardest thing for me was in some ways the silliest thing, which is the simplicity of building one of these domes.
Because I already built domes in the past, but never with aircrete, so I wanted to do one with aircrete to see how it works.
I've never done any building or anything like this at all, for that matter. So the main inspiration would be that I'm wanting to provide a cheaper housing option for my family back at home. So I want to build something myself at home.
Oh yeah, I learned a lot. I mean, techniques, learning how to make aircrete, that's also something I wanted to do actually. So yeah, it's fantastic.
It's like Indonesia, you know, Indonesia is a ring of fire, so we need like very good building like this, so it's good for earthquake, good for maybe tsunami. Yeah, it's very nice. It's good to try also in Indonesia. We don't have lots of dome house like this.
When I came in the beginning, I said, wow, all people with dreadlocks, long beards, not really the people where I normally go along with. So I was a little bit shocked, and my husband was also a little bit shocked. What's this going to be? So I was not really scared because I'm an open-minded type, but I didn't know what I should find here. After I figured out these people were so great, they are so open-minded, they're so different, they're so out of the box thinking. They were so great. And you have to be, because when you don't want to be sticked in a certain system, you have to think about life to do it. And they did. That's what I found out.
Was nice with many people, and Gabe and Rafa, they did it really well, and yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, I have after this workshop, I have a lot of confidence that I could easily go out and do it by myself.
Ooh, most challenging, I think, would be probably constructing the door. Yeah, and the concreting around the doors. I think that stuff's not my forte.
The best time I've had for many, many years. Really great people. There was no conflict, there was little politics, it just flowed beautifully, and we've created this amazing place, and I want to be a part of doing other places in the future. So, you know, thank you and thank everyone.